Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Sophia.
And today we're going to be drawing a
ladybird.
Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Your red pen first of all. Oh wait. Alright. So about here is where we're going to start drawing the face. So I'm going to draw a red circle there. And I'm going to give like maybe 2 finger spaces and then draw another red circle there. Brilliant. Okay, now here we're going to do the mouth. So I'm kind of going to do like a banana shape or a letter U and then loop round. So start like that and then round like that. Yes. Looking good. Looking great. Very good. Okay. And then just above where the eyes are, where the cheeks are, sorry, I'm going to do the eyes, but they're going to be like happy eyes. They're not going to be round. I'm going to do a curve there and a curve there, like that. Really good. And then I'm going to go round like that. So we've kind of got another. We've got 3 bananas. We've got 3 bananas and 2 circles.
It's like this one looks like a canoe.
Like a canoe, okay. So you do 2 upside down canoes. Really good. Okay, so starting from here, we're going to do the body. So from here, I'm going to draw along that way, a straight line all the way along to there. That's looking brilliant, okay? And then from here, round like that, I'm going to do half a circle. So round like that, and that's the head. Brilliant, okay? And then just like a little bit down about here, so for you about there, and then going to do a curved line that's going to join up with the straight line. So it's going to go round like that. That's it, brilliant. And then I'm going to do another curved line from here and it's going to join up over there. So it's going to go like that. Okay, now next thing, let's put this away and we get our black pen now. Okay, do you want a black pen? So we're going to do the antenna. So I'm going to do a curly, roundy, twisty line. So it's going to go curl round like that. Good. And then I'm going to do another one this side and curl round like that. Okay, so see this straight line, just below it I'm going to draw another straight line but in black, and that's going to be the shadow underneath our ladybird.
And then you're going to do like
the legs, yes. But that way we get all the legs the same length, yeah? Because we've got this as a guide. So I'm going to do it like a diagonal line, but I'm going to give it a little flick so it's slightly curved. So I'm going to go one line like that up. Can you do that? And then we do another one, 2. And we're moving along this way. We do 3. And then 4. 5, and then 6. Okay, and then we're going to do like little. That's okay, don't worry, that looks great. And then we're going to do like, they've kind of got little spikes on their legs, which kind of look a little bit like hairs. So we're going to do 1, 2, like that on each leg. And then along, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Brilliant. Okay, so then the next thing we need to do is, ladybirds are red, but they have black spots, don't they? So we need to do the black spots on here, don't we? So So let's do
I'll
black
just-
circles. You
I'll
can,
just do it like that.
yeah, do them anywhere that you want to do them.
I like
Yeah, okay, because some of the spots will be big and some of them will be small. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to copy you. I'm going to put a few small ones there. And then we need to do some up here on this side.
I'll do like this thing.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so the ladybird's face is black, so we're going to colour the face in black. But we can do the cheeks a different colour. So shall we colour it in? Yeah?
I'll just do it from one of
Yeah, we do it with those, yeah? So shall we, now it's time for us to colour it in. Wow, what a fantastic ladybird. Give me a high five. That's amazing. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Stick with us because we've got some more coming up soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.